For centuries, we've wondered if another Earth exists somewhere out there. A world with oceans, continents, mountains, and maybe even life. But what if we didn't just discover a planet similar to ours? What if we found a true second Earth? A world with breathable air, familiar gravity, flowing water, and the perfect conditions for human life. In this episode of Curiosity Now, we explore what would happen if astronomers confirmed the discovery of a second Earth, and what it would mean for science, humanity, and our future among the stars. And before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and ring the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep making documentaries just like this one. Imagine this breaking news alert. NASA confirms Earth-like planet with liquid water, oxygen-rich atmosphere, and stable climate. At first, the world wouldn't believe it. But scientists would quickly confirm through spectroscopy, analyzing the planet's light signature, that its atmosphere contains nitrogen, oxygen, and traces of water vapor. The planet would orbit in the habitable zone, the perfect distance from its star where water stays liquid. Within hours, the discovery would dominate every screen on Earth. Humanity would collectively ask, are we alone? Could life exist there? Could we one day live there? Governments, universities, and private space companies would accelerate their research budgets overnight. Funding for telescopes, spacecraft, and propulsion technology would skyrocket. For the first time in history, humanity would know for certain, Earth is not unique. Not every Earth-like planet is actually suitable for life, but Earth 2.0, as the media would quickly nickname it, meets the requirements almost perfectly: a breathable atmosphere. The ideal mix, around 21% oxygen, enough nitrogen, and a protective ozone layer, liquid water, oceans, rivers, and rainfall, the foundation for biological activity. Similar gravity. Too strong and human bones would collapse. Too weak and we'd lose muscle rapidly. A familiar day-night cycle. Not 100 hours of sunlight or 5 minutes of darkness. Something close to 24 hours. A magnetic field to protect life from dangerous radiation. For life, especially human life, stability is everything. If Earth 2.0 has the same relative mass, temperature, and atmosphere, humanity may have finally found a second home. But with discovery comes danger, because our arrival could change everything. Even if we found a perfect second Earth, there's one major problem: distance. Most Earth-like exoplanets are tens, hundreds, or thousands of light-years away. Let's say Earth 2.0 is 30 light-years from Earth. At our current fastest technology, it would take 54,000 years to get there using chemical rockets, 6,000 years using ion propulsion, 400 years using theoretical nuclear propulsion. And with today's technology, we're not going. But new breakthroughs might change that. Laser-driven light sails could reach 15 to 20% the speed of light. Travel time: 150 years. Fusion propulsion. Still theoretical, but could shorten the journey to decades. Generation ships. Massive spacecraft where multiple generations live and die during the journey. Finding a second Earth would ignite a space race bigger than anything in history. Humanity would finally have a destination worth crossing the galaxy for. If Earth 2.0 mirrors our planet's chemistry and climate, then life might not only exist, it may have evolved for billions of years. 3 possibilities emerge. No biology ever formed. This would be ideal for colonization, but disappointing scientifically. Microbial life exists, simple bacteria-like organisms. This would revolutionize biology, proving life isn't unique to Earth. Complex ecosystems exist: forests, oceans, animals, or something entirely alien. If so, humanity faces a moral dilemma. Do we explore, or do we risk contaminating a living world? Scientists know one thing: two ecosystems that evolve separately could be deadly to each other. We might carry microbes that devastate the alien ecosystem, and their microbes could devastate us. Quarantine protocols, specialized suits, and decades of study would be mandatory before any human sets foot on the planet. If a new world becomes the next home for humanity, someone has to decide who gets to go. Would it be scientists, wealthy elites, young, healthy colonists, people chosen by lottery? Ethical debates would erupt worldwide. Entire nations may demand representation on the first mission. Governments might fight for priority, or even fight each other for control. A second Earth wouldn't just be a scientific discovery. It would mark the beginning of a geopolitical power struggle unlike anything we've seen. If the first human crew successfully arrives, their mission would resemble the story of early explorers on Earth, but multiplied by cosmic danger. They would face unknown atmospheric microbes, shifting weather patterns, alien ecosystems, potential predators, a planet that looks like home, but isn't. They would set up base camps, analyze the soil, scan for diseases, and test the water. Every breath would be monitored, every footstep recorded. Human history would be unfolding one moment at a time, with the entire world watching across the stars. Discovering Earth 2.0 changes everything back home. Economies shift towards space exploration. New industries form: interstellar mining, colony ship engineering, space habitat design. Philosophy changes, religion changes, human identity changes. For the first time, humanity is no longer confined to one fragile world. We become a two-planet species, no longer facing extinction from a single asteroid, virus, or war. Earth would feel smaller, and the universe would feel bigger. Once humanity spreads across multiple worlds, a new era begins. Earth and Earth 2.0 may evolve their own cultures, languages, and technologies. Trade routes might form. Children might grow up under an alien sun, calling that world home. In time, we would push farther. Earth 2.0 becomes a stepping stone to Earth 3.0, Earth 4.0, and beyond. This is how civilizations become interstellar. This is how humanity becomes timeless. So what if we found a second Earth? It would change science, culture, technology, and the destiny of our species. Because the greatest question humanity has ever asked, are we alone, might finally have an answer. Before you go, remember to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new episode of Curiosity Now. It truly helps our channel grow and lets us keep exploring the mysteries of the universe together.